everybody, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on my dance of Najaa. I'm going to be dividing this into 3 parts again and hope you learn and enjoy. Let's start. Okay guys, so we're going to be starting the part 1 by standing straight and then keeping our hands, like pushing our hands down like that. So we're just going to push our hands down and then we're going to take our hands like this and one is going to go like this and then we're going to go like that. So just like 1 and then 2. Okay, so it goes 1, 2 and 3 and then we take our right hand and it goes front and back. So you put your leg front and then you take it back, and while doing that go 1 and 2. So it goes like that and then you're going to turn it back. So it goes 1 and 2. So after you do 4, 5, 6, you take your right hand and kind of like do this, like just throwing something. So it goes 1 and then do the same with your left hand. So go 1 and 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my right leg, I'm going to cross it to my left side and I'm going to take it back. That's for the legs. For my hands, I'm going to be keeping my left hand on my left side like this, taking my right hand and making it a circle, doing it like this and taking it back. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Continuing where we left off over here. Then you take your hands like this, you keep it diagonally with each other, kind of go like that. Okay, so kind of just move it in a curve like that, and while doing that kind of just tiptoe back down, and while doing that you're just going to spin. So it goes this. Okay, so it goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so after doing 1 and 2, 3 and 4, what you're going to do is you're going to take your hands out. So it goes like that. You take something in. Okay, so it goes out, in, and then you do like a circle. So again, kind of like you're washing the window. So you go out, in, circle, and you're standing straight while doing that. Okay, so it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, after that you put your right leg in front and kind of, bend towards it, and like having your leg bent like this. So you kind of do thupka while doing 1 and 2. What I'm doing with my hands is I'm just moving it 1, 2. It's like, cross, out, cross, out. So it goes 1 and 2. Okay, so let's go from the start. 1, 2, 3 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So after doing 1 and 2, what we're going to do, we're going to take our left hand, put it out while moving the left leg out. So it goes out, then take our right hand out on the downside, and then take our left hand up. Okay, so it goes 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make these sharp and make them on the beats so it looks very nice and it goes with the flow, so it doesn't just like make them sharp. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you take your hands like this, put it in a cross, and then while doing this, putting it out like that, you spin. Okay, so it goes 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's just revise it one more time and then we'll move on to part 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Spin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 and 2. Starting with part 2, this is where you really have to bring in your energy because we are going to be doing something similar to Bhangra. So what we do is after we do this and we just turn around, right? We take our right hand and we have our left hand like this. So we go this and then our hands go like that. So it goes 1 and 2. And while doing that, we go 1 and 2. So our left leg just goes up and down, up and down. So 1 while doing this and 1 while doing this. So it goes 1 and 2. Okay. So So just try and bring a lot of energy over there. And we do the same, like mirror it on the other side. Our left hand goes below our right hand, and then both do like that, while our right leg goes up and down. So it goes 1 and 2, 1 and 2. After doing 1 and 2, 1 and 2, you're going to take your right hand like this, close it, and kind of bend it like that. And this part is going to go 1, so just go 1. And that kind of pushes you on the left side. So what you're going to do with your legs is you're going to go like that. You jump on this, and then you push this leg out. So you go jump, out, and then you jump on this. Okay? I hope that makes sense. If not, just kind of replay it and try it a few times. So it goes jump, push out, and then we jump on this. And then with both of our hands, we just go like that. Make our hands go like that. So it goes out. So after we are done with this and this, what we're gonna do is take our both hands and go like front, like that, and then back. So it goes 1 and 2. Put your right leg, okay? You're using your right leg to go front and back. With your hands just going like that. It's very easy. Okay, so it goes 1 and 2. And after that, you're going to put your right hand out, cross your left hand over it, and then kind of just break it. So it goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. And after that, your hands just kind of, go up like this. Both of your hands go up, and then you make like a namaste pose, and you go out and out. So while doing this and this, you can move forward. So it goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's just revise from the start of part 2, and then we'll see what the next steps are. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7. And after that, you just need to, kind of spin and then go back like that. That's where the transition between second part and third part comes in. So that means you guys are done with part 1 and part 2. If you guys want to revise them again, just replay where I practiced them, and now we'll be moving to part 3. So let's start with part 3. So as I told you, after we kind of go this, we spin, and that's the transition between part 2 and 3. After the spin, you kind of take your both hands and kind of go back like that, okay? So you move them around like that, and while doing that, you just move back like a few steps. So it goes like that, and then I want you to put your hands on the side like that, put your right leg out, and it goes 1 and 2. So you just kind of move towards this side while doing 1 and 2. Okay, and then again take both of your hands, do this. Okay, so it's like something nazare wala part. So what you're gonna do is move your hands like that. So it goes 1 and 2, 3. And while doing this, you're gonna take your left leg in and stand straight. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after doing 6, I want you to again put your hands forward, but make sure keeping it like that straight, because then we're going to like grab it like that. Okay, so when you put your hands out, I want you to push yourself back. So just like pushing yourself back and then picking yourself front. So it goes back, front. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you got through there. Now let's move forward. So we go out and in, right? And then take both of your hands like that, and it goes up and down. So it kind of goes diagonally upwards, put it down, and it goes straight or like diagonally downwards. And while doing your this and this, what you're going to do with your right leg is you're going to put it in the front, and then you're just going to go 1, and then take it back and 2. So it goes 1 and 2, okay? After that, what you're going to do is you're going to take your hands like this again, but instead of moving it like this, which we've done a couple of times now, we're going to move it in this way, like how you move the charka, like that. Yeah, so you're gonna go like this. So let's just revise that one more time. So it goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2. Yeah, so you come right in the center, and while doing this, you just go 1 and 2, you walk in the center. So then you kind of move like that towards your right and snap, move like that towards your left, snap. So the snap is on the opposite side. You go right, snap on the left, left, snap on the right, okay? And then move your hands like a tree, you know, like how you would show a tree. You go like that while walking in the front, and then just move your hands like that while taking a circle. So it goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And after you're done with this, while spinning, I want you to keep it on your hips, and then it just goes like this, click. It just goes ding, 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 Najaa, Najaa, Najaa. 1, 2, 3 and go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That is it, guys. You guys managed to learn the entire routine, and now we'll be just going through it once, just so you guys can revise it all together and then go forward and practice it on the song. Okay, everybody, let's just practice the whole thing one last time. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3 and go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3. Yes, and we are done, guys. Okay, so the end, I'm sorry, you should just go like that, and let's just go back. Okay, so that was the entire song for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like, share and subscribe if you really loved it. And as I said, the dance will be linked in my description, in my comment section, and you can click the I over here, or you can just skip like to the end and it will be there. You can just click on it and go see the dance and practice with it. And yeah, that's it. I will see you guys next time. Bye.